Hi, I'm Melissa Hartzell and welcome to my myth busting series. I get so many people messaging me, asking me questions about Firm and Restore, so I thought I'd make this video so that I can answer the questions that come up most often. Getting to know Firm and Restore. So firstly, how are women using it? Well, they're massaging Firm and Restore formula into their face and neck for 60 seconds for maximum absorption. Now, to get into a daily routine, they're usually doing this first thing in the morning, and therefore it allows the active ingredients to fully work throughout the day. And they're complementing this with Firm and Restore night before bed. So this way they're getting maximum results and allowing it to work 24/7. What results are people seeing? So many women have been messaging me, telling me how much more confident they're feeling since starting to use Firm and Restore. They've noticed that their skin is more radiant, it's glowing, it feels firmer and plumper, and also that their fine lines are less pronounced and their wrinkles and crepiness in the skin is reduced too. Really positive results, and please keep messaging me with your stories because I love to hear them. Why is the ingredient Ultra Amonis so important in helping women see these amazing results? Well, one of the most powerful active ingredients in Firm and Restore is called Ultra Amonis ferment extract, which is actually a deep sea algae. Now, this powerful ingredient fights back at the natural occurring aging MMP enzymes that are in our skin that unfortunately increase with age. And by destroying these MMP enzymes, it allows our natural collagen production to continue. And we know how important collagen production is in keeping our skin firm and smooth, which is of course what we all want. Why is Firm and Restore so much better than collagen creams and supplements? Well, unfortunately, collagen creams often just sit on the surface of the skin and they never fully absorb enough to slow down the skin's aging process. But with Firm and Restore formula, we're stopping the MMP enzymes which destroy the skin's natural collagen production. And we therefore allow our skin to naturally create more of its own collagen, in the same way it did naturally when we were younger. And collagen supplements enter the digestive system and get turned into amino acids in the stomach. So new collagen very rarely reaches the skin at all in this way, which is why with Firm and Restore formula, you get results as the powerful ingredients allow the body to keep producing more of its own collagen naturally. Why is Firm and Restore formula a better option than expensive treatments? Well, injectables are temporary fixes and you only have to join Facebook groups or have a look on Instagram and read the horror stories of the possible side effects, and also how resistance can occur even after some time. And also I've heard about migration too. Women have reported side effects such as botulism, drooping eyes, paralysis, anxiety, panic attacks, dry eyes and headaches. And with these side effects, it seems that they can occur anytime, even after using them for many years. No thank you. I really hope that's answered some of your questions, and please do message in anytime if you have any further questions because I love speaking to customers and I'm always happy to answer your queries and questions. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.